in here. You want to draw? Mm-hmm. You can do some drawing.
No.
No. What do you want to do? Well, what happened to all the lids? What happened to the lids of all your pens? Let's go find the lids to the pens.
Hot.
Did you lose some lids?
Hot, hot.
Hot, 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 hot. You're cooking. Yummy scrummy. Yum, 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 yum. Baby's hungry.
No.
Yeah? Lovely. Yeah, buddy. Yum, 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 yum. We're doing tea time. You can
No.
come here. Baby's coming. Baby's coming. I want to eat everything. Hungry baby. No. There you go.
Tea hot. Tea hot.
Yes, the tea is hot.
She's hot.
Mmm. Oh, yummy tea.
Milk. Milk.
Thank you.
Happy milk.
Oh, I think baby wants some tea as well. Can baby have some tea? Yeah, thank you. Let me bring you your other cup. Because you left the other cup. I don't know where you left it actually. You might have left it upstairs. Let me go look in the kitchen. No, I think you left it upstairs, sweetie. Let me just move this. Hello, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Here you go.
No.
Oh, no. Oh, yes, I was going to look for all the lids to those. Oh, here they are. Well, why did you take the lids off, Mingala? Why did you take the lids off? Well, that's not the food, is it? Are you drinking pens? You have to keep the lids on so that your pens don't dry out. Because once they're dry, you can't use them anymore. I don't know where this lid is.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I don't know where it went. Uh-oh.
Here. Here.
I don't know where you put it. I'll go look in the kitchen as well. No. Okay. Draw some paper.
Pig.
Yes, you're drawing on Peppa Pig. I'm saying, do you want some paper to draw on paper? Paper. That's paper for drawing, and we can take out the tea set.
Peppa Pig.
Yes, that's the Peppa Pig's house. And you can go and have tea at Peppa's house. Hello, Grace. And who else is coming to your tea party? We've got toast for all our friends. Are you drawing for your friends? Yes, Peppa Pig's home. Yeah?
Peppa Pig.
Yes, Peppa Pig.
Pig. Peppa Pig.
Yes, Peppa Pig. Very good drawing, sweetie.
Peppa Pig.
Where is Daddy Pig?
Home.
Daddy Pig is at home? Are you talking about your daddy? Daddy is at home.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, are you drawing Daddy? That's a very interesting picture of Daddy. Nom, 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 nom. Hi. 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 Okay.
Daddy Pig. God.
Daddy Pig is gone.
Daddy Pig. God. Peppa Pig.
Yes, Peppa Pig's daddy is Daddy Pig.
Mommy Pig.
Yes.
Mommy Pig.
Is that Mummy Pig? Wow, well done. Anna's drawing.
Mommy Pig.
Okay, thank you, sweetie. Oh, yeah, Mummy's drawing. Can I have a pen, please? You want me to draw George Pig? Yeah, okay. Let me will draw George Pig. George! That's George Pig.
Mommy Pig.
Mummy Pig? Okay, I'll draw Mummy Pig as well. Oh, Mummy Pig wears a dress. So that's Mummy Pig. That's George. That's Mummy.
Mommy.
Yes, Mummy Pig.
Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig. Okay, I'll draw Daddy Pig. He's a big Daddy Pig. And he's got a beard. Does he have a beard? And he wears glasses. That's Daddy Pig. Oh, his hands.
Oh. Knees.
Knees? I have to draw his knees. Okay, there are his knees. He doesn't have knobbly knees like the Gruffalo, though.
Knees.
knees? Does he have knobbly knees like the Gruffalo? Okay, there are his knees. Does he have turned out toes? Toes. Turned out toes. Oh, Daddy Pig is very scary.
Toes.
Turned out toes. Somebody is very, very gremlin.
Go. Let's go.
Which girl? You want me to draw one of Peppa's friends? Which one? Susie Sheep? Can't remember who the donkey one is.
Go.
Yes, I can draw a girl. There you go, well done. Susie Sheep. I can't remember what Susie Sheep looks like, but I'll draw a sheep. Uh-oh, baby dropped her ring. Here you go, sweetie.
Ring.
Yeah. Susie Sheep. What could Susie Sheep look like? Yes.
Sushi.
Yes, because the girls in Peppa Pig wear dresses. And I can't think what she
Daddy
should look
Pig.
like. Big ears.
Baby pig.
Happy. That's Susie Sheep. Ooh. Susie.
Peppa Pig.
That's Mummy Pig.
Judge Pig.
Zoe Zebra's baby sister. There's Zaza and Zozo. Zebra.
Huh? Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig. Mummy Pig. Are they wearing green clothes?
Pig.
Mm-hmm.
Judge Pig. Judge Pig.
George Pig.
Sam.
Oh, bless you, baby.
3.
Aww.
9. 3. 10. 3. 5. 3. 4.
Ooh. Thank you. Now that everyone is here. Oh, that's what you were doing, was it? Now that everyone is here, shall we have our tea party? Yeah, shall we do tea? Because Mummy's very thirsty. I want some tea. Right, can I have the lids, please, sweetie? Dip on my lids. Dip on the lids. Dip on. Oh, bless you. Oh, yeah.
Puzzle. 5. 4. 5. 6.
Oh dear, all the lids. All the lids of all the pens. I know. What could it mean? Nom, 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 nom. Where did it go? Anna, where's baby's ring? Oh, sweetie. I know, that's not a real thing, sweetie. It's not real. Mummy and Anu just drew it. Done? That's Zoe's zebra. Or Zaza, I don't know. Zebra. Oh no! Baby's eating everyone. Oh, run away! Run away! Baby will eat everybody. Right, shall we do tea?
Eating everywhere.
Yeah, she's eating everything. Oh no. Don't worry, she can eat this one. It's okay. And we can make something to drink. Yeah? Yes, they're all over your fingers. Frightening. You can't see it. Like if you look, you can only see baby. So you have to be on this side for mommy to see you. Okay, now you can only see baby. Okay, now you can see yourself. Look. Show your fingers. Oh, long fingers. Ah, and now we'll go back to baby. Hey, sweetie. Oh, sorry, Nana. Oh. Cuts. You're cutting it with your fingers. Baby's very hungry. She's eating everything. Let's see, baby. Yeah, baby's eating everything. Oh no! Hey, sweetie. Hey, baby. Hey, Nana. Hey, Nana. Hey, Nana. Hey, Nana. Ah, hey, Nana. Hey, Nana. Hey, what is baby doing? Oh no! Don't fit on mummy's finger. Mummy's finger's too big. See, mummy's finger's too big. It won't fit. Yes, it fits on your fingers. Your fingers are small fingers. I think baby likes paper a lot. Have a nice day with Bon Marché. Oh no! Oh no! Look at baby. Look. Cut, cut with your nails. Ew. And don't let her your tea party. Go do your tea party. Don't let mommy disturb you. Go do your tea party, sweetie. Yeah. Mummy would like some tea, please. Some cake. Ooh, yummy. I like cake. Ooh, cake. Ooh, what kind of cake is that? Mmm.
Tidy. Tidy. Body.
Right, and can I have some tea, please? you.
Oh,
Oh no! Thank you. Are you sitting with Mummy?
yeah.
Are you helping me drink my tea?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Mummy's going to say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn it around so you can say bye-bye as well. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye bye.
See you later. And we'll see them another time, okay? Bye-bye. Right.